beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Vlogmas, where I'm uploading a brand new video every single day at 6 o'clock UK time. Today we're going to be putting a Primark eyeliner stamp to the test. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. It really does help out my channel. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below. It is full of makeup, revolution. There's absolutely loads of goodies in there in a beautiful sparkly bag. But today we're going to be putting the Primark £1.50 eyeliner stamp to the test. So I picked this bad boy up from Primark. Actually, I picked this up before lockdown happened. How crazy is that? So it cost me £1.50. It's basically, it looks like it's a little, let me just get it out. So it comes with the little kind of black thing to put the eyeliner stamps on the end of, so that you can hold it and obviously place it onto the eye. And I love the fact that it comes with 3 different shapes. So this is the biggest one. It has a left, oh my god, it has a left and a right to it as well. So this is what these ones look like. And then we have a medium size, which just look like this. And then we have a itty bitty size, which just looks like this. So let's put them all next to each other. Let's have a look to see what they're all like. So this is all of the right hand side ones. If I could hold them because they're so itty bitty. So that's what all the different sizes look like. I'm going to go in with the biggest one just so we can see what it's actually like, and just to have like a good enough wing to see like is it actually easy to do or not. So what I loved about this, and one of the reasons that I picked it up, is because you can literally use any eyeliner that you like with it, and I prefer that because I think with the ones where you come and it comes like already kind of pre-soaked, you obviously, if that eyeliner is rubbish, you're stuck with it because it's part of the product. Whereas with this one, you can use your favourite eyeliner. So I'm going to use my Soap and Glory one, and we'll see what it's like. I've got no eye makeup on or anything like that, so we'll see what we come up with. So I'm going to take my Super Cat eyeliner from Soap and Glory. Obviously, I'm going to put it onto the little device like so. This one is the right hand one. So it'll be like this. Yeah. I think the hardest part is going to be getting it lined up. I'm going to see what it's like before I put the product on to kind of lower. See, it's hard because I actually have like a little fold right on this outer corner as well. So I feel like it's going to be quite difficult actually, now that I think about it. So it'd have to be like this. That's going to be massive. We're going to have to just try it. I feel like it's not going to work the best on my eyes because I do have that fold in the outer corner. So it's a bit more difficult for me to do eyeliner. It's like something that I've had to learn over the years of how to do it best for my eye shape. So I'm literally just kind of drawing it on. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I'm literally just drawing it on, making sure that I'm covering all of it as well. I wonder what this would be like with a gel eyeliner. I think that would be quite interesting. So I'm going to tilt my head back just to kind of undo that little fold as well. And let's just see what it's going to be like. And press. Okay. It could have gone a lot worse. It's going to be a very, very thick eyeliner for sure. But yeah, I think obviously the other part from that is the fact that you're going to have to touch it up and you're going to have to join it, because otherwise you're just going to have this little weird bit. So I'm just going to take the eyeliner and join it. So I've drew the rest of the wing on. I don't know if you can see. Don't get me wrong, it's not too bad. It doesn't really help my eye shape all that much, I'm not going to lie. I'm actually going to try the other side. I'm going to try the smaller little wing to see what that one's like, because I think that one would interest me more so. So taking the itty little bitty one, let's see what this one's like. This one is the left one. Have you tried anything like this before? I'm just going to paint this one whilst we're chatting. Like, is this something that you think is worth trying out? I mean, it's only £1.50. All the other ones that I've seen have been like 20 quid. I think there's one in Superdrug that's quite pricey as well, where it's obviously it comes with an eyeliner kind of stamp so that you don't have to paint it on, but it means that you can't use your own eyeliner then. So I'm going to try the same with the itty bitty one on this side and see what this one is like. Oh my god, that is adorable. I've totally done that in the wrong place. Oh my god. Should have been like there, shouldn't it? Yeah. Damn it. To be honest, I do think it'd be a lot easier just to draw your own wing on and just to get the practice in of doing it, and then you don't have to worry about having a little stamp or anything like that. I don't think this Soap & Glory one is the best eyeliner for it because it is quite it's good because it's quite it's not a dry formula, but it's not really wet. It's like a really good formula for if you are kind of new to all this kind of stuff. So I would recommend trying it because that was probably the one eyeliner that actually taught me how to do a winged eyeliner. But I just think like that one hasn't even given me really the shape or anything. I just think it's just easier just to generally just go in with your eyeliner pen and just do your own. Obviously that looks messy because it has got the other eyeliner underneath it. I just think for the sake of it, you might as well literally just draw your own. I just think it's just easier just to do your own than it is to use that stamp. I really do. So it's up to you. It's whatever you think is going to be best and more beneficial for you and your eye shape. For £1.50, it's worth a try. It's worth having a little play around with because why not? It's literally £1.50. And if it doesn't work, then you can use it for something else. I'm pretty sure you could use it for like a makeup look if you're quite arty with your makeup stuff, like on Instagram and stuff, then it'd be really good for anything like that. But it's just worth trying. It's just funny, isn't it? It's worth trying in case it does work for you. And it's not going to break the bank as much as a £20 one would. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's not as bad as actually what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be bad. I really did think it was going to be really bad, but it's actually not, and I'm impressed by it. I am. For £1.50, it's worth buying. It's worth trying. It's worth buying. It's worth trying. That is all from me. Don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video, 6 o'clock UK time. See you tomorrow. Bye.